How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you see deleted messages on WhatsApp. To see your deleted messages, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now what you could do is, first thing first, you could go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. So here, if you go ahead and look for any of these options, go to settings, you cannot find it. But then you could also find it, you could also try chat backing up. You could actually do this, but however, this is not a reliable method. Now before we move on, or before you want to see the deleted message, you want to make sure to enable this. So for that, you want to go to settings, and when you go to settings, here you want to go to notifications, and then here you want to go to notification history. As you go to notification history, you could actually go ahead and find out the notification, or you could also see the deleted messages as well. So this is how you could actually find it out. But then if you have to make sure to enable it already, or else you will not be able to find it on this page. So this is the way you could see deleted message on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.